Greetings from the Children's Museum of South Dakota. Over the last few weeks, we've been watching you play, creating those beautiful masterpieces of art on your driveways and sidewalks with sidewalk chalk, decorating your windows with those beautifully colored hearts, and even going on those bear hunts in your neighborhood. And we have never been more inspired. Play matters now more than ever, and we are dreaming of the day when we can all be together again here on our prairie and connect through play. Until then, play along with us on our blog, Recipes for Play, or our virtual programming. You can check those out at prairieplay.org. Our job is to spark imagination, and we are here for you. And when the time is ready for travel, Mama T-Rex and Max are here waiting for you. We can't wait to see you.